All right, this is me again, Onyi Nnebedum, bringing you updates on how to fund your TikTok ad. Now, following the recent updates on TikTok ad with regards to payment, I did a video on how to go about funding your TikTok ad because a lot of persons reached out to me, including my students, asking that I should do a video that there has been an update on paying for TikTok ad. So I did that video and I showed you how you can still get coins to now recharge or fund your TikTok ad, right? So today I want to do this video to see if we can use a virtual card to pay for TikTok ad without buying coin. Okay, so I hope you are with me on this. If you are, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and let's dive in. All right, so I'm heading straight to my phone. My phone is connected to my laptop. If you are looking for a video on how to do that, how to connect your phone to your laptop, the video is somewhere on this channel. I've done a video on that, all right? So now I'm going straight to TikTok, the app. So it's opening. And let me get to my profile so that I can see my videos. So this is the account I'm using at the moment to run ad, okay? I had to leave the other account, Profit Leverage, alone for a while. So it's still opening up due to network. So when it opens fully, I will see the exact video I intend using for this ad. So let's give it a little moment. Sorry about the network issues. I guess it will be better soon. Oh, if I know the video, I think it's this second video because it's a new video I posted, or the third one rather here, because the other one, the first one is in draft, on draft. So let me go with the third one rather. So I've clicked that. So okay, that's the video. Yeah. Now there is something else I did here, which I want you to learn, especially if you are my student, okay? And that has to do with what you can find here. Get it now, right? If I click this button, I've done a video on that already. So my students, you will get it in the course area. Okay, so it took me too far. I would have shown you the button. Let me click on it again. So you'll be able to fill this form. Why is it skipping? Is it because I filled it already? But what I'm trying to say is that you can add this to your video, especially if you've gotten to 10,000 followers. So you can add this to your video, any video at all, whether you're running ad or not, right? So you can add this here and people can click on it. Automatically, TikTok will capture their email, the email they registered on TikTok, and then ask them to enter their name. And once they submit that, they will be redirected to a link, maybe your WhatsApp link, and when they click it, they will land on your WhatsApp DM. Okay, so I did a video to capture how to do that, right? But let's move on to why we are here, which is another way, or the primary way it should be to fund your TikTok ad. So I'll click on the three dots down here and I'll head over to increase view, which is the promote icon. All right, so we are here now and we leave it at get sales, right? Our link is already there, right? So let's move on. Here we come to custom and we select these age ranges, save. Okay, let's adjust the budget because it's a trial ad. Let's put like 1.5 here. Confirm. Okay. All right, so he adjusted it to 1,570 something. Okay, and I have a little balance here. So let's hit on pay. Remember, we want to see how we can pay with our virtual card, right? So I hit on pay. Okay, so I'll select card payment, credit, debit card. So I click on that. All right, so here I'm going to input my card number, my virtual card number, right? That's what I'm going to put here. I need to paste it. I copied it out already. I just want to paste it. Okay, so I pasted that, and then I'll put the expiration dates, and then I'll put my PIN. That's the 3 digits behind the card. That should be behind the card, but this is a virtual card, so it doesn't have the red part. All right, so here I'll put my name. Okay, so we are done. So we want to see if we can pay with our virtual card, right? So I'll click on confirm. So if this works, it means that, yeah, you can pay with this and not have to buy coin, right? So, and I hope it works, because I've tried the local card here, processing your payments. Wow. So I've tried some cards, my cards here from Nigeria, and none worked, and they used to work. In fact, it's one of them that I used to buy coin, so it still works when it has to do with buying coin. But for this payment like we're doing here, okay, it doesn't work. Okay, so it says checking, confirm payment, checking account security. This could take a few minutes, processing your payments. So we wait. I think it's confirming it already. Okay. Wow, so payment was successful. That's great. Payment was successful for this. I love that. So, okay, I think to confirm that this payment was successful, I will need to check my email. By the way, I use my gray virtual card, right? So that's what I used, okay? Even though there is something about gray now, they are asking for TIN number, tax identification number. I'll still do a video on that, but I've not done that yet on my own gray account, okay? So let's get to my email to see if there's a confirmation, and I'll put it here. Let's select all, so I can capture the gray email. Because if the payment was successful, usually I'll get a notification. Okay, card transaction successful. So let's see whether it's that 1.5 that we put. Of course, it will be converted in dollars, right? So that's my name. Okay, TikTok promotion. Can you see here? Okay, can you see in dollars is 0.99. Okay, that's less than $1 for 1,005, and that's what it's supposed to be. And if you check the dates, this is June 1st, because this 1st of June, this is Sunday, June 1st, 2025. And check the time, it varies, okay? So you can use your gray virtual card to pay for TikTok ad without having to buy coin, okay? Because when you go to buy coin, the coin will be converted, or the amount you spent on coin will be converted, and at the end of the day, the money will be reduced, right? So if you can fund your gray account, if you need help on that, let me know. You can fund your gray account and then use your gray virtual card to try to fund your TikTok ad, and that would be great, okay? So if you have any issue on TikTok ad, drop it in the comments. If you have not subscribed to this channel, do subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you'll be alerted the moment I upload another helpful video like this one. Don't forget to share this video with anybody that you care for, okay? Now, if you have not still joined our TikTok ad mastery class, this is the best time to join, because we are giving a huge discount, right? So find the link in the description of this video and join the class now, so that you don't waste money running TikTok ad, okay? So this video is to prove to you, or to see another way to fund your TikTok ad, which we said is to use your virtual card. Now you can try any other virtual card that you have or that you use. If it works, also let us know in the comments, so that every other person can see that, and probably if they have that, they can go ahead to use that. But like I said, This one is gray virtual card that I used. Okay, so see you in another helpful video. If there's any other thing you want me to share on with regards to TikTok or Facebook ad or Amazon KDP, if you are an author or you are interested in writing or creating books, okay, do let me know. Otherwise, go ahead to explore the wonderful tutorials we have on this channel. See you on the next video.